Hello, Jace Fugate here with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. So we're going to be continuing on slices. Today we're going to be talking about multi-dimensional slices. This concept hopefully is familiar to you because we've done multi-dimensional arrays and it works exactly the same. So let's create a multi-dimensional slice here. My multi-dimensional slice. And let's have this 2 deep, and it takes strings. And I will print this out. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Okay, there you have it. It's interesting though, it's just one single set of square brackets. So as we've been talking about, is slices are variadic, as in their sizes can change, can grow and shrink. And so right now this is a slice of string slices, but there are no inner string slices that exist, so it just shows the outside parentheses. Let's go ahead and initiate this, or initialize this, so that we actually have something in the middle here. There you go. So we have a slice of string slices, and inside I created a string slice, an empty string slice. So I'll go and run this, and there we have it. Now we have 2 sets of brackets. And I can put in here first. I'm gonna do 1, or actually 0, 0. It's 2-dimensional, kind of think of that as 0, 0. And then I'm gonna do another one here. This will be 0, 1. Oops, I did a rune. Runes don't like multiple characters. There we go. There we go. 0, 1, or 0, 0, 0, 1. I'm gonna put some around just so we can separate the numbers up a little bit. I'm not sure if that made that better or worse actually. Okay, so let's go ahead and add another slice into this. This is going to be 1, 0, 1, 1. There we go. And it's going to start looking very similar to the multi-dimensional array that we had. The difference is, again, is that these can be variable length. These inner slices don't have to be the same. I can make this one different size. I can go ahead and add a 1, 2 onto this. So now that's completely different. I could put as many of these on if I wanted to. I could add a new slice to it. So let's say my MD slice. Let's append to my MD slice a new string slice, and let's make it empty. And there you have it. And if we wanted to, we could say my MD slice sub 0 append to my MD slice sub 0. Another, and this is going to be a string because the inner set takes just a string. So let's go ahead and add, this will be 1, this will be 0, is that what it is? Yeah, 0, 2. Keep doing backslashes here. There we go. There we have it. We just appended on into the inner slice. And so this is something that can kind of get confusing. It's almost like Inception going on here. You have slices going inside slices, and now you're appending to a slice that's inside of a slice, and we can make this a 3rd deep, and you could be appending a slice that's inside of a slice that's inside of a slice. It can get a little bit confusing, so practice. Play with it. Figure out what you can and can't, as I always say, what you can and can't do with it. And it'll make more sense the more you use it. And you'll see that multi-dimensional slices are very useful. They're great to have, because sometimes you don't want to store everything in a straight line. You want to be able to have it, if you're doing a game with checkerboards and you want to be able to have that two-dimensional kind of idea in the actual data structure. Or maybe it just makes sense to do the multi-dimensional slice. Sometimes that just is the best way of doing something. Thank you guys so much for being here, and hope to see you again.